Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are breaking down how to trade gold on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. It's a full beginner-friendly walkthrough that will take your commodity trading to the next level. All right, so let us quickly start with the basics. On your MT4 or MT5 platform, whichever one, your MT4 or MT5 platform, gold is represented as XAUUSD. So this symbol shows the price of gold against the US dollar. To find it, open your market watch. Right click and choose symbols. All right. You scroll through the list or you just search for XAUUSD. Right. Once you find it, you can double click to activate it and then drag it into your chart window. Okay. Or you can just, come straight here, click on file, new chart, go to metals, you select your XAUUSD, add it to your chart. All right. Now let us set up your chart for effective gold trading. Most traders use M15, H1, or H4 time frames for day and swing trades. Add a few basic indicators. You can use, for example, a 50 EMA for trend direction. Okay, so let's just add the 50 EMA to the chart. So you can use the 50 EMA for trend direction. You can use RSI for momentum, and clearly mark support and resistance zones. Right, clearly mark support and resistance zones on your chart. All right, very important price points on your charts. Okay, these zones are going to help you. These are key levels that will help you identify where price reacts. Now, gold is highly reactive to economic news, geopolitical tensions, and movement in the US dollar. That means timing is everything. The best sessions to trade gold are during the London session, New York session, and especially the London-New York overlap, when volume and volatility peak. Now, when opening a trade, you click on New Order. Of course, you select your XAUUSD and adjust your lot size appropriately under this volume option. Adjust your lot size. Make sure that your lot size is calculated based on your account balance. You don't want to risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Okay, gold is volatile, so use smaller lot sizes compared to Forex pairs. All right, a 0.01 lot on gold can move significantly, so be cautious. Always use a stop loss and take profit based on nearby key levels, not random numbers. For example, if I'm going to enter, perhaps I have gotten to say that we are in a sell trend currently. All right, so we can see that currently we are in a larger uptrend though, based on the moving average. Even the moving average has helped us identify that we are in a larger uptrend, and price has already come to retest the moving average in this particular zone. All right, so if you're looking for a good entry, of course, you can be looking for a buy opportunity, and then depending on the time frame you are trading on, let's say we enter a buy trade around here, if we get a confirmation price already above the moving average and getting rejected around this support. So if we had to enter a buy here, if you want a tight stop loss, can be below this swing low, or you can set it below this particular swing low. Then you can target resistance levels for your take profit. That's for your buy. So your take profit levels should be set with reference to key levels. Okay, now a few key things to remember when trading gold is that gold does not move like Forex pairs. It can spike randomly, rapidly. I mean, it can spike rapidly, especially during news releases. So always check the economic calendar, and then avoid low volume times like late Asian sessions unless you're scalping specific setups. Also, structure your entries around clean setups, trend continuation, break and retest, or double bottoms and tops work well. Use alerts or price alarms to avoid staring at the charts all day. Okay, let the market come to you. Now, many traders also keep an eye on the DXY, that is the US dollar index. Yes, you can also keep an eye on the US dollar index, to get an eye of where gold might go. When the dollar weakens, gold often rises, and vice versa. This inverse relationship can add a layer of confirmation to your trades. Okay, so now you've learned how to trade gold on MT4 and MT5. The strategy remains the same across MT4 and MT5. So it doesn't matter which of the platforms you are using. You can effectively use this price action strategy alongside, just moving average and RSI for confirmation, or any other indicator of your choice for confirmation. Okay, now you know how to find the assets on your platform, how to analyze the chart, open a position, and manage your risk with confidence. If this video helped you get clarity, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more powerful Forex and commodities trading content every day. Until next time, stay focused, stay patient, and trade smart.